Urhobo ado megunota Akpẹrẹ Ibieta. Alphabets in Urhobo. The alphabet that I'm about to talk about comprise of the vowels and the consonant sound in Urhobo. I will recite the alphabets in Urhobo from A to Z. A, B, D, E, F, R, H, L, G, P, K, L, M, N, O, F, R, T, Y, W, Y, Z. Now I want to talk about the vowel sound in Urhobo. A, E, I, O, U. Those are the 7 vowel sounds that we have in Urhobo. Now I want to start with letter A, how it sounds and how it is being pronounced in Urhobo. A, which is pronounced as A, like A-R-E, A, or A-H, A. That is how they pronounce A sound in Urhobo. Examples: Aghan Broom, Aphia Knife, Agbuna Matches, Agbara Chair, Agogo Bell, Adjan Bat, Woman, Achicha Umbrella, Akpẹrẹ Basket, Adjudju Hand, Akpẹvwẹ Thanksgiving. Akpẹvwẹ Thanksgiving. Akpẹrẹ Thanksgiving. Akon Teeth, Afiotọ Rabbit, Ame Water, Amwa Clothe, Ahworhẹ Sponge, Bush, Avwanre Sense, Agwo a crowd carrier, Ato Desert, Akpo Life. Now I want to make some sentences with some of those words. Now if the first sentence here is Oshare na wotu mamo. The man carries crowd a lot. Oshare na wotu mamo. Akpọmeyoma. Akpọmeyoma. Remember, any word that starts with A in Urhobo, you know, is A. Akpọmeyoma. My life is good. I will end here in the A alphabet. In our next class, we will talk about the letter B in Urhobo. Remain blessed. Urhobo orere bisa o. Manurhobo mena o orere bisa. Urhobo kokore ogbare. Urhobo orere bisa. Obolu Urhobo jebe na sofa jewa tianye. Edebara kpome o tolu Urhobo Avwanre. Urhobo orere bisa o ariuma. Urhobo orere bisa o. Manurhobo mena o orere bisa. Urhobo kokore ogbare. Urhobo orere bisa. Obolu Urhobo jebe na sofa jewa tianye. Edebara kpome o tolu Urhobo Avwanre. Urhobo orere bisa o arioma. Urhobo ọvu-ọvo.